Barbecue with Cooking the Chef Ed.
A lot of people ask me, Chef, how do I do and work with my grill? So I'm going to tell you, it's plain and simple. Whether you use a grill or you use charcoal, you have to have this little step on mind. In other words, this is going to be the trick for you to have a perfect grill. This is an electric grill, but I do not like gas grills. I like charcoal. So I have this grill that I used for a while as gas, but I was not too happy. So I took away all the components, what it makes gas grill, and I turned it into a charcoal grill. Because I believe that a grill is with charcoal, not with gas. However, it's up to you. It's not my way, it's your way. So this is one of the things you learn it with Chef Ed, that we all have a million ways to do things, but you make up your own choice. Personally, I like it with charcoal. So let's go with it. What you need to have in your grill when you do grilling. You need a steel brush, very important. You have a knife, you have a steel, you have a spatula, you have a fork, and I'm going to talk about this fork to you. It's very important about a fork. We have a tongue, and one of the things that I want you to learn is, well, Chef, I always drop things in the grill and it's thick. Oh, get ready. This is a great secret for you guys. A lot of people put oil. Oil builds when the heat hit directly, and it's giving that nasty look. I'm going to show you a trick where you can drop whatever you want, vegetable, meat, chicken, or whatever, it will not stick. Because I'm going to create this grill and a non-stick grill. Okay? So, you put salt, okay? You got water and a rack in here. You gotta put a little bit more salt. And basically what you do with your tongue, basically what you do is this. And I want you to look at this right here. The camera, I want you to point. Okay? Right here. What I'm doing is spreading that water and salt. Okay? Now, when this is heat up, it's going to turn like a kind of a white film. Another thing also that you have to keep in mind when you deal with charcoal is when you lit up the charcoal, give them 10 to 15 minutes until the charcoal is lit up. Because it's going to take like liquid fluid, it's going to take like a raw charcoal, and it's not a good flavor in your meat. You don't want to eat that. You want to have it completely nice. And if you see right here, my charcoal is white. That means it's lit. It's lit. Underneath this charcoal is already red and hot. So when you drop whatever you want to drop here, whether chicken, beef, steak, pork, ribs, whatever, it's not going to stick. Plus, it's going to cook under a hot grill. So keep that in mind, okay? So don't forget what you need. Don't forget those little tips, and I guarantee you, you're going to have a great barbecue. So I see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to give him a like. And I'm here, Chef Ed, to serve you. Cooking with Chef Ed. See you soon. God bless. Another tip or tricks. Here with Chef Ed. Another tip or tricks. Here with Chef Ed.